Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying your SSMS version in Help About so you know what to replace. Once done, close SSMS and stop non-essential SQL-related services so files aren't locked. Make sure you've downloaded the newest SSMS installer. Keep it on a local drive. You're beginning the update now, not configuring backups, although a quick config export is wise. So run the installer executable and allow the installer to check prerequisites before continuing. When the installer runs, choose Upgrade if it detects an existing SSMS so settings and extensions carry forward. You'll be prompted to accept prerequisites. Allow the installer to download and install those dependencies to avoid partial installs. Pay attention to feature selection and install path because extensions or custom locations can affect behavior. Let the installer finish. If it pauses, check the UI for prompts. This middle phase is about completing the replace without interrupting file operation. After installation completes, restart SSMS and immediately verify the new version in Help About to confirm success. Make sure you re-enable any services you stopped and test critical extensions, projects, and connection profiles so you catch issues early. If SSMS won't start or features are missing, check the installer logs saved in your temp folder and rerun the installer as an administrator. That usually resolves permission-related failures. That troubleshooting tip fixes most post-update problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.